The Ackley Hartnett IBM Printing Machine is a high-volume printing machine built for large batch quantities. This machine features a 15-inch touchscreen with Wi-Fi capability and is CFR 21 Part 11 compliant. It features an adjustable hopper to get the optimal feeding angle for a high flow rate. This is paired with a flood feeder to boost efficiency. The ink viscosity system maintains the ink viscosity for extended runs. The bulk hopper is an optional feature that allows for consistent, even feeding. The machine can be equipped with an optional rubber roll cleaning system to ensure consistent cleaning at regular intervals. The Ackley Hartnett IBM machine is capable of single-sided printing of tablets, capsules, caplets, and other similar-shaped products. The optional camera inspection system inspects 100% of the product and allows for single product rejection. This machine meets or exceeds CE and UL standards. Only FDA-approved materials are used for all product contact surfaces.